Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Did you know 75% of Americans have side hustles? In this video, we'll explore 5 ways to make $1,000 extra per month. From freelancing to selling products online, we'll cover it all. So, let's get started. First, identify your skills and strengths. What are you good at? What can you offer to others? Make a list of your skills and strengths. Next, research the market demand. What are people looking for? What problems can you solve? Use online tools like Google Trends and Keyword Planner. Now, let's dive into the 5 side hustles. Section 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills on freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Create a professional profile and portfolio. Set competitive rates and bid on projects. For example, if you're a writer, offer content writing services. Charge $50 per hour and work 20 hours per week. That's $1,000 per month. Section 2. Selling products online. Use e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Etsy. Create a professional store and list your products. Optimize your listings for search and use high-quality images. For example, if you're a crafty person, sell handmade jewelry. Price your products at $20 each and sell $50 per month. That's $1,000 per month. Section 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Create a website or blog and write reviews. For example, if you're a fitness enthusiast, promote fitness products. Earn a 10% commission per sale and make 10 sales per month. That's $1,000 per month. Section 4. Renting out a room on Airbnb. Use the Airbnb platform to rent out a spare room. Create a professional listing and set competitive rates. For example, if you have a spare room in a popular area, rent it out for $50 per night. Rent it out for 20 nights per month and earn $1,000. Section 5. Selling stock photos. Use stock photo websites like Shutterstock and iStock. Create a portfolio and upload your photos. For example, if you're a photographer, sell your photos for $10 each. Sell 100 photos per month and earn $1,000. Now, let's summarize the key takeaways. To make $1,000 extra per month, identify your skills and strengths. Research the market demand and choose a side hustle. Create a professional profile and portfolio. Set competitive rates and promote your services. In conclusion, making $1,000 extra per month is achievable. With these 5 side hustles, you can increase your income and achieve financial freedom. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips and tricks. Like and comment below with your favorite side hustle idea. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.